Welcome to my kitchen, the funny Indian Asian woman kitchen. Okay, I have to show you this fish fillet recipe. Okay, this fish fillet. Okay, I have here my fish fillet ready over here. Okay, and it's cooked already. I have here one sliced cheese, tomato, and the lettuce. Okay, and I have here is this tartar sauce. Okay, tartar sauce. Okay, let's do the build up. Okay. Okay. Okay, now get the one fish. Okay, get the one fish, put it on the, okay, get the slice of cheese, put it diagonal. Okay, diagonal, put one piece of tomato. Okay, tomato, and a lettuce. Okay, lettuce, and put, this is very good recipe, and a lot of people just like the fish fillet. Okay, so this is the fish fillet and this is the onion rings. This is very delicious brunch. Take out my brunch. Okay, and I hope you like my video. Please subscribe me, kick my butt. Okay, but don't yell at me. Okay, because I don't take it, I take it very personally and emotionally. Okay, thank you, bye.